In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use polls in Microsoft Teams channels or chats and show you where to find the results of these polls. If you're looking to engage your team effectively, polls are a fantastic tool to gather feedback, make decisions, or simply gauge opinions. Let's dive right in. First, you need to sign into your Microsoft Teams account. You can do this by navigating to the Teams app on your device and entering your login credentials. If you're already signed in, you're all set to proceed. Next, within your Teams interface, go to the group chat where you'd like to create the poll. Look for the plus icon, usually positioned at the top of your chat window. Clicking this will help you access a variety of options that enhance your chat functionalities. Afterwards, you'll see an option labeled Polls. Click on this to begin the setup of your poll. At this point, the poll creation interface should open, inviting you to enter details about what you want to ask your team. Here, it's crucial to add a clear and concise description for your poll. This description sets the stage for what you're trying to learn or decide. Take your time to phrase your question precisely, as clarity will help in getting the most accurate and relevant responses from your team members. Following this, you'll need to think about the options for answering your poll. Click on the section that allows you to edit the options. Be sure that each choice reflects a possible answer or stance on your question. Tailor these options to give your team a broad yet focused range of choices. Once you've set up your question and options, take a moment to preview the poll. This step is crucial because it lets you see exactly what your team members will see when they participate. Click on the preview button to ensure everything looks perfect. This is your chance to catch any typos or errors, ensuring that your poll is as professional and effective as possible. Finally, once you're satisfied with the setup, it's time to send out your poll to the group. You'll do this by clicking the Send button, which prompts Microsoft Teams to distribute the poll to your chosen chat or channel. And there you have it, your poll is live, ready for participants to weigh in, and all the input is collected automatically. To find the results of your poll, simply revisit the poll interface where analytics and collated responses are available for review. This can be invaluable for making data-driven decisions or simply understanding the pulse of your team. I hope you found this guide useful and are now equipped to use polls to their fullest potential in your Microsoft Teams environment. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing how you leverage this tool to enhance collaboration and decision making in your team.